Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're all doing. Hey guys, how are you all doing? Doing fine. Anyways, today we're gonna learn about the mouth in more detail. Because in the previous video we learned about the mouth in detail. But in this video we're gonna learn about the mouth in more detail. So let's start. So in the previous video we learned about the types of teeth, molars, premolars, canines, and incisors. We learned about the tongue, gums, etc., etc. But in this video, we're gonna learn more stuff, starting with the saliva. So the saliva produces spit to keep your mouth entertained and motivated in chewing and digestion. How did they do this? Well, the peristaltic stimulation produces abundant qualities of watery saliva, whereas sympathetic stimulation produces viscous saliva, which I don't know what it means. Well, the saliva consists of the acheniar cells, which produce saliva. What is saliva? Saliva is spit. So the acheniar cells are responsible for the production of primary saliva. It means acheniar cells make primary saliva, and ductile cells decorate the saliva. They change the saliva, add some stuff to the saliva, remove some stuff until it is 99% water and 1% protein. Your salivary glands produce 0.5 to 1.5 liters of saliva. The acheniar cells are divided into 3 types: mucus, seromucus, and cerucus. Let's learn about the tongue now. The tongue is divided into many muscles. The tongue is divided into many parts. Let's learn about the fungiform platypi first. The fungiform platypi tastes the food. How does it taste the food? Well, what is it called? The fungiform platypi has these things called taste buds, which taste the food. How, you may ask? Well, the precursor cells to differentiate into mature cell tastes, meaning precedes, meaning the stuff which is taken or borrowed from something else. Now, so this means that they borrow stuff that become the mature, that become the taste cells, the cells which taste your food. Well, how do they taste it? Well, the basal cells does this thing. So the taste receptor cell is born. Now, when you eat your food, the food goes over the taste bud, and the taste goes in the taste bud, and the taste bud cells, and the taste bud asks taste receptor cell, what does this taste like? And the taste receptor cell tells the taste bud what the food tastes like. And the taste bud And the taste bud tells the nerve that the food tastes like this. And then the nerve tells the brain that the food tastes like this. And then the brain tells you that the food tastes like this. And yeah. So the filiform platypi is just to guide the pollen tube into the stirring test. Meaning it tells the pollen tube where the stirring is. And yeah. The middle groove of the tongue is just to divide the two filiform and fungiform platypi. Now, the terminals now. Lingual tonsil. Lingual tonsil protects you against harmful substances that enter your body through your nose or mouth. Meaning when you eat food, the food contains lots of germs that can kill you. So the lingual tonsil kills those germs so you will not be killed. And yeah, the validate platypi is just to divide. Now let's learn about the tooth. The tooth has these many parts: enamel, dentin, and pulp. Enamel is the hardest bone in our body. It protects the tooth. But sometimes the strongest also need help. So that's why the dentin is here to help the strongest bone, enamel. The dentin gives the enamel a surface for the enamel to sit on, and it helps the enamel, and it also protects the teeth. Then the pulp, they also protect the teeth. Now, blood and nerve cells, blood vessels are there to provide energy to the tooth to chew and not make the tooth fall off. And the nerves and the nerve vessels are there to ask the teeth if it is doing something, and the teeth tells the nerve vessel it is doing this. Then the nerve vessel tells the brain that the teeth is doing this. Then the brain tells you that the teeth is doing this. So here is an animation of how the teeth protects you. Bacteria comes, it's the enamel is too hard, so the bacteria goes, it searches to kill you. And then the nerves, and then the nerves, and then the nerve vessels come, ask the teeth what it is doing, and the teeth tells the nerve what it is doing, and yeah.